Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm cooking some marinated fried whole chicken and some spicy rice. Stick around to see how it's prepared. We're going to start off with the marinade for the chicken. What we have here is 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coarse black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sugar. I only have brown. If you have white, use that, it's preferred. 1 teaspoon of salt, or as much as you need. 2.5 teaspoons of paprika. What we also have is some ginger. I've sliced it up, a chicken stock cube, some chilies, half a bulb of garlic, bunch of coriander stalks, juice of 1 lime. I'm going to start off with putting some of the ingredients in with about half a cup of oil and blend them. Slowly add all of the ingredients so everything is blended. I've added a little bit of water to aid in the blending process. I have 2 corn-fed organic chicken. What we're going to do now is take the backbone out and butterfly the chicken. Once chicken has been butterflied, put into a tray and massage in the marinade. Now for the ingredients for the spicy sauce. What I have is 2 teaspoons of coarse black pepper, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1.5 teaspoons of garam masala, and on the side I have a few green chilies. I have 2 tomatoes that I've chopped up, a bunch of corianders that I've chopped up, and I have approximately 3 to 4 onions chopped and half a bulb of garlic also chopped. I've started the cooking process here with some hot oil. I've added cumin seeds, the onion and the garlic. I sweated them down a bit. Now I've added the tomato and I'm gonna cook them until the tomato melts away. Keep a regular eye on the mixture. Give it a mix once in a while, making sure that it doesn't burn. Now I'm adding all the powdered spices except for the garam masala. I'm going to keep that to add later. Keep the hob on hot so the mixture gets cooked, but keep an eye on it so that the spices are not burning. If it's too hot, add a little bit of water to prevent the spices burning. As the mixture reduces down, top it up with water. Now that it's cooked, it's time to add the chilies, the coriander and the garam masala. Add some lemon juice, then it's ready to be taken off. Now to cook the chicken, get a pan, put some oil in there. Once it gets hot, put the chicken in and let it fry. I've left the lid on. It's a whole chicken, it's a big piece. This will aid in the cooking process. After it's cooked on one side for about 10 minutes, turn it over and cook the other side. First chicken is done cooking, now time for the second one to start cooking. Now reheat the spicy mixture for serving. Cook rice how you normally would. I had some rice left over from last night. What I have done to this is I've added some lemon juice, some soy sauce and some butter and mixed it all together. I'm taking this food elsewhere, that's why it's in a disposable container. What I'm doing is layering up the rice and the spicy sauce. Place the chicken on top of the rice and then serve. Enjoy. And this is how the finished product is looking. I hope you guys make this dish and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching.